Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Amanda and I'm so glad that you're here. In today's video, we're going to be doing a lash tutorial. I'm just basically going to be showing you how to put on lashes, or how I put on my lashes. I'm not a pro, but I've been doing it for quite a while and I've gotten pretty fast at it. It takes me a couple seconds and boom, my lashes are on. But when I first started putting on lashes, I had a really hard time. So if you guys want to see how to put on lashes, then go ahead and keep on watching. I always put my mascara on first whenever I put on lashes. Some people like to do it afterwards. I always like to do it first. So I'm going to apply some mascara to my top lashes. Okay, so first thing, I'm going to be using the Pixie lashes. They are by Kiss and they're Pixie number 2. And the first thing you want to do is they're kind of on this little like a little contraption. What you want to do is take the lash, but you want to be really careful because if you pull it off too quick, you can actually pull off the edges of the actual lash, and that's not good. So then I just kind of take that and then I'm going to pull off the other one. Now these lashes right here, actually you can tell which one's the front and which one's the end, because the end of this lash is longer on the end where the outer part of your eye is. I don't know if you can see, but it's longer right here than it is in the front of the lash. See, it's shorter right here, so that kind of tells you which eye it's supposed to go on. So you want your lashes to be shorter on this side and longer on the edge. So what you're going to need to do is take some lash glue. I'm just using the Duo Black lash glue, and I'm just taking it. This one's a brush on kind, but there is some kinds in squeezy tubes. I've used both. Just taking and brushing on the glue to the actual lash line, and then I always want to put a little bit extra on the top, like the edges, because those are normally where they peel up. So then what you do is I kind of just like wait. You want to wait at least like 30 seconds before you put it on. That's like the biggest mistake I would say when you're putting on lashes, is putting it on before it's tacky. If you put it on before it's tacky, it just will come right up and peel up. So you kind of want it to get tacky. So we're just letting it dry. You can wave it around, you can blow on it. Some people say don't blow on it. I blow on mine all the time and it's perfectly fine. But if you don't like to blow on it, then just wave it around in the air like you just don't care. Okay, so it's been at least 30 seconds. I like to just take my lash. I don't use one of the little lash things, but on my other eye I will use that just so it's easier for you guys. So then I take it and I just place it on my lid. And you want to go as close to the lash line as possible. And you want to work fast, because if you don't, it glues down really quick. And then you want to just push and kind of like push the actual band onto your actual eyelid. You want to make sure you don't get on your lashes, because if you do, you will pull your lashes out. Okay, now that that is pretty much down, what I like to do next is I like to take a lash curler and I just kind of curl my lashes into the false lashes. And what that does is it just blends your lash into your other lashes. So the other lash we're gonna do, I am gonna use, there's like are these little tweezer things that come with the lashes, and I'm just going to use that. What you do is just take the lash and then you just place it on. So I'm gonna do the same thing, take my lash glue and then just brush it on. Okay, and then what you do is you just take the little tweezer things and then you just kind of put them on, and then what you do is you just set them on your eyelid. I used to use this when I first started doing lashes. It's just helpful because you can actually get in there without poking yourself in the eye and stuff. Some people use tweezers. I just keep these. I'm afraid kind of to use tweezers because they're metal. I'd be afraid I would stab myself in the eye. But then you can just take these and kind of squeeze your lashes together with these other lashes, and it just kind of blends your lashes a lot better. It's really simple, and once you start doing lashes and doing them, I wear lashes pretty much every day that I wear makeup if I go anywhere. I just really like how it makes my eyes really stand out and look bigger, but it really gets easier the more that you wear the lashes. I used to seriously like have to get super close to the mirror, and like I would try and I could never get them on. And then over time and practice, you just get better and they just go on. But follow those couple rules. Don't put the lashes on before your glue is tacky, and make sure you put a little bit of glue on each of the edges because that's where they normally peel off. Okay guys, I hope that you liked this video, and if you guys did, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and as always, be your own kind of beautiful. Toodles for now.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.